As much as silence can be golden at night, sometimes listening to music in bed is the perfect way to drop down a few gears and wash off the mental dust at the end of a long day. As well as enjoying your own music, headphones can also help if your neighbor's music or your partner's snoring creates audio earthquakes in your bed. The thing is, not all headphones are comfortable to wear in bed for long periods of time, especially if you sleep on your side or front. So it's important to choose headphones that strike the right balance between comfort, audio quality, and noise cancellation. There are many products available to choose from. Best headphones for sleeping and noise cancelling, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews from customers, and compiled a list of the best headphones for sleeping and noise cancelling from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bose Noise Cancelling Headphones 700. The Bose Noise Cancelling Headphones 700 are the best on-ear noise cancelling headphones. They are ideal for back sleepers or frequent flyers. Arguably, they block out even more noise than the AirPods Pro 2, but it's very close. Where they excel is in the battery life, with up to 20 hours, even with active noise cancellation alongside your music. The audio quality is superb, with a neck that lets you boost the bass if you want even more from them. The noise leakage is good too, so you can listen in private. They look sleek and stylish and are very comfortable to wear for many hours. The voice assistant works well, with clear call quality. Number 2. Sony WF1000XM4. The Sony WF1000XM4 are the best wireless earbuds if you want some serious bass and an incredible audio experience. They have the richest and deepest bass of all the headphones, but a neck lets you tone it down if needs be. The noise cancellation is excellent too, and the battery life is a bit longer than the AirPods Pro 2, giving you up to 8 hours with noise cancellation in music. The large shells mean they are more practical for back sleepers and everyday life, but the memory foam tips are very comfortable. The voice-activated voice assistant makes changing settings at night a breeze. Number 3. Cozyphone Sleep Headphones. The Cozyphones are a low-cost headband, with a wired connection instead of Bluetooth. The wired connection is the only clear reason to choose them over the sleep phones or Musicazy. They are comfortable to use in all sleep positions, with small speakers. The audio quality is basic, with very little bass, but they at least offer a simple way to listen to music quietly in bed. There's no active noise cancellation, and a partner might hear some of your music with ease. Number 4. MaxRock Sleep Headphones. The MaxRock Sleep Headphones are really just normal headphones, but with particularly small and soft earbuds. The tiny earbuds mean you can lie on your side more comfortably than you may have experienced in the past. They also have great noise isolation, and a partner will hear very little if anything. The audio quality is underwhelming though, with little bass. They're wired headphones rather than Bluetooth enabled and don't have active noise cancellation. Number 5. Sonos Life Q30. The Sonos Life Q30 is a very good lower-cost alternative to the Bose 700s. They have decent noise cancellation and good noise leakage for private listening. The battery life is fantastic, with up to 40 hours with active noise cancellation or 60 with just music. The app has a neck and a range of nature sounds you can mix to help you block out more sound and relax at night. The cups are quite large, so there is strict head movement even on your back. Number 6. Musicazy Sleep Headphones. The Musicazy is the best low-cost alternative to the sleep phones. The speakers are a little larger, but still comfortable to wear on your side while sleeping. The battery life is good, lasting for up to 10 hours. There is no active noise cancellation, and the audio quality is quite basic. The noise leakage is good though, so a partner won't hear much on low to mid-volume levels. Be aware that the control module on the forehead isn't very stylish, despite being practical to use in the dark at night. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.